Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to teach you how I edit my thumbnails and profile pics with Neon Glow. I am using Photoshop CS3. My cousin requested me to edit his profile pic to his newly made Lighty channel, link in the description. In my profile pic, I use the dim neon in the squares, as you can see right there. And in this thumbnail, I use the bright neon, which is like this. So I'm going to use this bright neon for the stars, right? First, we're going to use the lasso tool right here, or maybe you can use the quick selection tool for this. Okay, so choose this, and this is easier than the lasso tool, which you will do manually. Okay, since that is included right there, we're going to use this lasso tool, this one right here, as you can see, and let's zoom in for that. As you can see, I am bad at controlling my mouse, so that's why I don't draw my profile pic. Instead, I'm editing them. This one, see, I have to remove this and this one as well. Now that we're done, we're going to copy and paste this right here, so that will be like that, and we're going to blur some of the parts right here. To remove this part right here, and we just have to blur them. The second step is to pick a dark background for the neon effect. I'm going to use this one right here because it's dark. Duh. Now that it is pasted, you just have to resize this right here, or maybe move this a little bit closer to here. And then we're going to make it dark using the burn tool right here, and select this one so that we can make it dark. Oh no, that's not enough. Okay, that's... oh no, oh no, oh no. Not that, no. We don't want to be unlucky today. Okay, I think that is fine. Right here, we're going to adjust this avatar because I really don't like to adjust. Like here, we do that, and let's adjust this actually. Alright, now that it's adjusted, we're going to make a star right here. Let's see if there's a star. I hope there is. Let me know if you find it before me. If there's none, and we're done. Okay, there you go. I found it. It took me literally seconds for me to do it. You have to select, will not use. There we go. So let's focus on the shape first. To make it neon, a bright neon, there should be a white base on the center. We're going to copy that. Wait, no, never mind. We're going to duplicate this thing right here. And then after that, we're going to resize it. Something like that. I think that's fine, right? Then now we're going to make it white for that. Yeah, white, just the white. Actually, let's draw another star. Oh, actually, there's another way for this. We just need to adjustments. Oh, we have to rasterize type this. Rasterize layer. There we go, and then image, adjustments, and black and white. We're going to make it white, of course. white, all white, right there and there. Alright, now that it's white, we're gonna make it somehow blurry. So we have to go to the filter and the blur. Blur more. There you go. I think that's fine. The next step is we have to duplicate this right here and move to the back type. We're going to rasterize layer, and then we have to make it Gaussian blur. We have to press the Gaussian blur so that there's gonna be a neon effect, neon glow effect. I think that's fine. Next, we're going to make this opacity like this. And there you go, guys. It's finally neon. Now that it's finally neon, we just have to like merge them all and make them 5 because it is requested. Now, as you can see, it is a bright neon that we'll put in the back of this, so that means it has to be right here, right there, and we just have to make it 5 layers. I mean 5 stars. Yes, totally. Okay, now we just have to make his avatar dark because the light is behind it. So we have to make the front dark using this tool right here. He wants to make his eyes red. Wait a minute, his eyes red. So that means we have to make his eyes red using these brush tool right here. And make sure it is red right here. Make a color, no, not you. Right here. Okay, so now we'll just have to, oh, this is not the right size, but anyways, we'll just have to resize it. I don't think it fits this eyes right here. Maybe I'll just have to right there, and then I'll just have to modify his eyes. I think that's fine, and then we'll just have to put like this, no, not you, this. It serves as a glow. Wait, no, not you. Okay, a little bit bigger, like this. Then we'll just have to modify her. I don't think it fits this one though, because like in my profile pic it is kind of an angry eyes, so we'll just make it angry as well. There you go, he has a bright red eyes, and now for the final part we're going to make his avatar kind of receiving light, you know, at the side. So this is how you do it. To reselect this one again, we have to press Ctrl, then click. There you go. And then we have to put wait, not you. Not you. Wrong one. Okay. Now, okay, so I put the new glow around it. Now that it's done, we'll just have to put some extra glow around it. Okay, we gotta fix that too. Where is it? No, I actually don't know, so please. Oh wait, no, not. Wrong one. Okay, I actually have to add more. No, not you. Than this. I have to add more glow on this side of the hair. I'm not good at this, okay? That's why it has some deforms. I'm not straight at doing this. But I think I can manage, right? I should be... Are we done? Wait, no. Oops, I accidentally did that. I need more practice in this. It's really bad. But I think this is fine. Is it? Maybe. I don't know. This area is actually fine, and now I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon.